Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another job lead video. I will try to keep this one very short, sweet, and to the point. I just keep finding things that I think are cool and unique and I would like to share with you guys in case anybody fits these qualifications and would like a work from home job that does not fit into the standard customer service, data entry, healthcare, finance realm. That's where a lot of these work from home jobs are right now. And so I'm trying to look for something different for you guys and deliver things that might fit different personalities. If you are an international subscriber, please stay till the end. I do not know if this is US only since they are based out of Burbank, California, where all of the movie stuff is, but there is a caveat down in the very low fine print that might mean this could be open to international viewers, so just stay with me till the end. But let's just jump on in. The streaming platform Paramount Plus, they own brands such as BET, CBS, Comedy Central, MTV, Nickelodeon, and so they have their own streaming app. They are hiring for a streaming and content specialist. Now it says Paramount Plus is seeking an experienced content operations specialist who's passionate and knowledgeable about digital video and VOD, video on demand, to oversee a wide range of video-related initiatives with a focus on content publishing and content issue resolution and escalation. So the day-to-day responsibilities of this position is to utilize video management and publishing tools to resolve video on demand, playback, and publishing issues while working with quality assurance and publishing teams. You'll contribute to the management of video distribution and infrastructure. You need the ability to operate independently because you will be juggling multiple tasks and projects simultaneously and any other duties as assigned. Now, the basic qualifications are 2+ years of experience in video on demand publishing and knowledge of video on demand encoding or video formats. Different video formats are like MP4. There's a bunch of video codecs. I'm not a professional at that, but if you have knowledge of these video codecs and you are familiar with ticketing systems, it says you must be self-motivated and detail-oriented. They would like you to have live or on-demand publishing experience and excellent verbal and written communication skills. There's some additional qualifications that says understanding broadcast signal chains and Python or similar experience running programs for a terminal. So this is more for someone in the tech field. If you are techie, I am not. So if you meet those qualifications, it does say down here, if you read all the little fine print, it says they're committed to equal employment opportunity regardless of your standard race, color, ethnicity. But if you get down the line, it says regardless of citizenship status. So I don't know if that means that just overall as a company, that's their disclaimer, or if for their remote positions, they do hire outside of the United States. If you fit all of these technical qualifications, you might want to reach out to them and see if they are hiring international if you are an international viewer. If you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. My viewers are awesome, and I will be back very soon with another job lead. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.